Hello, I'm Ahmed Hamdy. I joined the project Pathways Beyond Neoliberalism since November 2024. In my research, I'm really concerned with how development aid is being used, and instead of using development aid for its traditional channels, I'm discovering or exploring how the development aid is using for secretization, or in other words, how it's used to curb migration flows, especially in the MENA region. Amidst the current economic crisis, I'm concerned how development aid or development narrative is being shifted from its traditional use for economic prosperity and development to being as a tool for curbing migration flows. One of the challenges for this research is the topic is a bit new, so we have radical changes in the world nowadays, especially in the Middle East and MENA region. There are a lot of challenges that should be addressed, and hence the challenge of my research is that it's a bit new, so there are many upheavals rapidly changing. So I'm trying to explore, first of all, theoretically, the use of development aid, traditional use of development aid, and the shift of this development narrative within the global north. And there are many rapid changes in the current world, especially in the MENA region. So my research, I'm trying to explore theoretically how development aid is being used traditionally for economic prosperity, and how there is a narrative or change of narrative of development aid, especially in the global north with donor countries or OECD countries. There is a clear link between neoliberalism and development aid, so they are inseparable, given that neoliberalism believes in international cooperation and multilateral collaboration, international organizations. The change of development might affect or might have negative consequences on the traditional use, or the main purpose of development aid is to enhance people's life. And actually the relationship between development and development aid in particular and neoliberalism is inseparable, given that in the current global order we highly depend on international cooperation and multilateral collaboration to enhance people's life. And hence the change of development aid and change of narrative highly influences the effects or the mandate of international organizations enhancing people's life. Thus exploring how development aid is being used, especially in developing countries like the MENA region, and how it's related to migration flows, which is an emerging issue, is really significant and crucial for the current neoliberal order.